Hi, I'm SedhuVeeraraghavan, and my final project is based on embedding dialect and vector database. NLP basics, natural language processing. It's all about processing words and sentences to extract meaningful information. Pre-process the words and sentences are listed here. Techniques to translate the words and sentences to numbers are listed as follows. Embeddings represent a word in continuous numbers in n-dimensional space, and see the following word equation: king minus man plus woman equal to queen, and the following chart satisfies that equation. And how to achieve: there comes the transformer. The resulting vector is called the context vector. The transformer architecture is given and the equation is here. And cosine similarity: based on the context statement below, the word apple would have two different vectors. And using the Jensen to word to vector model, loaded Kaggle hotel review dataset. It's a 100-dimensional vector. Compared the cosine similarities using Jensen model and through manual computation, and values are same. And plotted the Disney plot as shown below, which represents the 100-dimensional vector in two-dimensional space using principal component analysis. And I'm using the pre-trained translation model. The following languages are listed for translation: Spanish, Tamil, and Hindi. Using Gradio for the user interface. Shown below is the translation from English to Tamil. Vector databases store embeddings. Organizations have their proprietary knowledge base. A vector database is used to build the internal knowledge base to query the embeddings and get the results. And I'm using ChromaDB. And concatenated the review text and city. I loaded the concatenated data into ChromaDB, obtained the embeddings using OpenAI embeddings, and query for the best hotels near Hanover City, and the results are here and it's highlighted. And retrieval augmented generation. LangChain is popular framework for RAG implementation. LangChain may switch between LLM models and versions to compare and contrast the outcomes. LangChain is model agnostic. And RAG pipeline. LangChain provides several data loaders for text, PDF, and directory, and provides splitters to split documents into chunks of data, converts chunks into embeddings using OpenAI embeddings, stores embeddings in a vector database. The user query is converted into the embeddings and then queries the internal vector database, enhances the user's question, and wraps it in a prompt to ask a LLM model. The LLM model processes the prompt question and generates a response. And thank you for watching.